In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook dating messages. First, let's start by checking your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth functionality in any app, including Facebook dating. Look at the top of your device's screen to see if you have a strong signal. If the Wi-Fi or mobile data icon isn't fully lit, you might experience issues. You can also try loading a web page or another app to confirm your connection. If you notice that your connection is weak or non-existent, consider switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. This small check is vital because a poor connection can lead to delays or failures in sending and receiving messages, ensuring your experience is seamless. Once you have confirmed that your internet connection is stable, the next step is to update the Facebook app. Keeping the app updated can resolve many issues, including messaging problems. To do this, open your device's Play Store. In the search bar, type Facebook and select the official app from the list. If there is an update available, the option to update will be visible. Tap on that and the app will begin updating. This is important because updates often include bug fixes and improvements that enhance app performance. After the update is completed, you will see the app ready to use again. Now that the app is updated, the next action is to restart your phone. This may seem simple, but it can often solve various technical glitches. To restart your phone, press and hold the power button until the options appear. Choose the option to restart or power off and then turn it back on after a few seconds. This action helps refresh the device's system and clears temporary files. By doing this, you ensure that all app processes start anew, which can help in resolving any lingering issues related to Facebook dating messages. After your phone has restarted, open the dating app to check if the messaging issue persists. Take a moment to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Sometimes simply restarting your device can fix problems that were affecting the app. If messages are still not going through, it's crucial to check if you and the other person are still matched. Open the match list within the app to verify this. If you notice that your match is still visible, that's a good sign that communication should be possible. Next, we need to investigate if the other person has unmatched or blocked you. This can happen for various reasons, and it's important to know where you stand. If they've unmatched you, you will no longer be able to send or receive messages from them. If you suspect this might be the case, consider reaching out through another method if appropriate. Understanding the status of your match is essential because it helps clarify any confusion and can save you from unnecessary frustration. Now that we've done that, the next step is to log out of Facebook. This is a straightforward process but can refresh your session. To log out, locate the settings option in the app. Scroll down until you find the log out option and tap on it. This action ensures that any temporary session issues are resolved. You may not see immediate changes, but this is a preparatory step that can help refresh your app's connection to the server. Finally, log back into Facebook. Re-enter your credentials carefully and tap on the login button. This step is essential because it re-establishes your connection with Facebook's servers. Once logged in, navigate back to the dating section and check if your messaging issue has been resolved. If everything is functioning properly, you will be able to send and receive messages without issues. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix any problems with Facebook dating messages. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps improve your experience on Facebook dating.